Deborah Mitchell, and I'm here to tell you about an amazing new serum that I have. It's a serum that makes the skin feel incredibly moisturised and look really, really young. I made it for our lovely people that buy our collagen subscription. It's a fantastic hydrating serum. It makes the skin so beautifully soft. It's like sometimes your skin needs that thirsty, has a thirst to it that nothing can quench, but this product quenches that thirst, that hydration, that moisturising. It's such an incredible feeling at any time of the year. I've been away on holiday and I used it every day, and it gave me a really beautiful glow to my skin. Also, in the winter, your skin dehydrates so much when it's cold. You need something like this. You can use little drops all over your face, and it's even good on the lips. Why did I make it though? Strangely enough, this came because my beautiful collagen drops that my clients were using, I wanted them to have a really nice treat. So these collagen drops that people have, they love them. They taste beautiful, they apply them to the skin at the same time as I'm actually taking them every morning, and they love the taste and they love the quality of them.